Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, satellite radio, pass-through rear seat, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, child safety locks, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.